Getting your healthcare needs met these days can be pretty challenging, which is why we're really excited to share with you a brand new medical center out in Surprise called Heelex Medical Center. I'm talking with Robbie Hakeem and Vince Gallo this morning. Thank you both for being here.
Thank you for having us.
Let's start with you, Robbie. What is Heelex and what specifically are you treating here?
So Heelex is a new center in Surprise. We use low-dose radiation therapy to treat osteoarthritis, plantar fasciitis, bursitis, tendonitis, all the itis.
I'm like, if it has an itis, you're the place to be, right? To
Yes,
get it
ma'am.
all fixed. Anytime people hear about a new medical center, one of the first questions they think of is, will my insurance be accepted? So talk to me about that.
Yes, we actually accept almost all medical insurance,
Okay.
starting with Medicare and on.
Okay. Who would the ideal patient be? I mean, you went through some of the conditions that you treat, but it's a little bit more specific than that. Who specifically should really be reaching out to you guys?
Actually, if you're a patient that has tried all kinds of modalities and, epidural shots, all kinds of shots, and then you're about to either give up or you need a radical procedure like surgery, then I think that we're who you need.
Okay, people who we were saying earlier, kind of at their wits' end, and they really don't know if there's any place they can turn, and then they find you.
Absolutely.
And this is a great place to go. Okay, let's talk about Vince. When he first came here a few months ago, what did you guys find with Vince?
So Vince presented with his right knee. He had osteoarthritis in it, and he had been on a cane for 6 months.
Yeah.
And as you can see, he's standing on his own.
And that wasn't going to do it, right, Vince? You're a mover and a shaker. You're like, I don't want to deal with this cane anymore.
That's correct.
Or the pain. He also had an injury about 40 years ago, and then, again, a fall a handful of months ago. Talk to me about your experience here.
Well, my options were limited, and
Yeah.
I tried everything, exhausted all the things I could have done. I saw a TV commercial for Heelex, and I says, I'm going to call. I did, came in, they evaluated me, and said I was a good candidate for this X-ray treatment.
Okay.
And so it's done in 6 increments over a period of 6 days. They were very honest and straightforward with me and told me that it might take a couple of weeks for it to really take effect. And I was in so much pain, I thought, you know what, even if I get half the relief, I'll be thrilled.
Yeah, you're like, that'll be a big win.
After the 4th treatment, I threw away the cane. I am cane-free and pain-free. I did complete the 6 treatments, but absolutely no pain. I would recommend this to anyone that has pain anywhere in their body.
Well, you're kind of a walking, talking billboard. You said everywhere you go, you tell people about this place because it's been a game changer. You said just going from the living room to the kitchen was really challenging for you.
My pain was excruciating. On a scale of 1 to 10, it was probably a 12.
Okay. When you first came in and you were told 6 treatments, were you a little dubious of that after everything you've been through with the pain process so far?
I was a little surprised. Didn't know what to expect, really.
Right.
But they told me it was pain-free and it was non-invasive, and that, to me, was what I was looking for.
I love it.
And this was perfect.
Yeah.
Absolutely perfect.
Yeah, well, here you are. I mean, walking, again, proof of the procedure and the ease of it. I said you probably took that cane and chucked it across the room. You're like, I don't want it. I love it. Heelex Medical Center is located at 12329 West Bola Drive in Surprise. Give them a call at 623-270-7441 or go online at heelexsurprise.com.